Lord, prairie. I don't think so. I don't think they can graze on waterfowl production. Good cheese. I never had an opportunity to take cheese like that. Yeah. That's good stuff. You want to see cheese, rice, and butter. That's cheese. That's awesome.
Old Mr. Mac out this morning. Okay. See what the puppy can do. Here. I know it kills you to hold still, don't it? Okay. Come here. Cold?
Yeah, I'm cold on my ears.
Let's go find them. Let's go. First prairie walk. How old is he? 9 months? No. Oh, he just flushed one. I didn't have it on video. How's his first bird contact? Good boy, Mac. Pretty wild flush, but threw a Hail Mary at him, then get him. We'll loop back around and see if we can't catch him. Just one bird. Yeah, he smelled it. Good dog. Oh, I didn't think I was gonna find that one. Loose. Oh, what a pretty bird. Didn't have the GoPro on, but wow. He kind of half pointed him in that bush and dropped on over this cattails and good job, Mac. Good boy. Your first Huns. Good dog. Good boy. Good day here. Let's see if we can't rustle up some birds in these bushes. Hopefully they're loafing in the shade with their belly full. Marley about fell in a hole right there. She smells something. Wind's kind of on her back. didn't go very far. Yeah, like I didn't even see it.
I don't think he did. I was wondering if he jumped as we did.
I should be right here because it looked like I just sat down. Go around that side of the bush. Just don't shoot me. Got that one. Good boy. Oh, let's go get that one. Come on, Mac. They hit him very hard. Come on, Mac. Here. Come on, here. Let's go. This way, this way, this way. Coming at you. Well, he sat down. We'll go check him. Come on, Mac. Come on, Mac. Come on, find him. Find him. No, he's here somewhere. Come on, Mac. Get him. Oh, there you got him. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. That's a good dog. Come on. That's a good boy. I promise it's okay for the birds to win, but today was rather frustrating. We had a ton of bird contacts. We probably seen 30, 40 birds on this walk right here, just jumping bushes, and there's a few on tops there, but they just would not hold for nothing, and just a little frustrating.
No one else got you.
Or not be. It's gonna be tricky.
Maybe it is.
Dang it.
Power shot.
Good girl, Marley. Good girl. Good girl. Dang them birds. That's what we're after. We should just keep on walking. Good girl. Oh, that rung my ear. Also, wouldn't be a good prairie trip if Don't look too serious. the dogs didn't keep you in check on a few gopher points here and there. So yeah, here's Marley just slamming on point. Marley,
Yeah.
what is it? Beautiful gopher. Huh? Is it a gopher? Is it a gopher? Okay. Go. Get out of there. Go.